Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Size Play. Today I'm playing Phantom Forces. As you can see, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time. I promise I'll upload later mostly every day. But I will not be uploading this I'm not promising you that I'll be uploading like a lot. So I'm sorry I didn't put my intro on. I just don't want to. Today we're trying to do. Oh my god, how did he kill me? So today we're gonna try to be doing all these cool stuff, and y'all all know that I'm not good at this stuff. Okay, he had 20 health. Wow. So let's see if we can have snipers. This guy's not even moving. I saw a guy on here. Oh, I flip. I did not see that guy, bro. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell and smash. I mean smash. When I say smash, I mean like Hulk smash. Oh my god, that thing saved my life. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I swear I saw something there. Oh my god, bro. These people are roasting. They're killing us, bro. They're all up there for some reason. They're all up there. Have y'all noticed they're all up there? Every single one's up there, bro. I didn't see that guy. Cause I'm focusing. If I get quiet, that means I'm focusing real hard. Dude, this dude keeps killing me. This bro keeps killing me, bro. This dude keeps killing me. I mean, yeah, he keeps killing me, bro. Yeah, dude. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I just went to go do something. Okay, don't ask what I was going to do. Sorry, I had to freeze for a second. Oh! I knew for a fact one of those people on the top were gonna kill me. I knew for a fact. Go with this guy. He needs some milk, bruh. Is there a guy over here? Oh. Bye, have a good time. Bye, have a good time. They see this fell to his death. Come on, come on, come on. Will you move out of my way, mister? That's why you need to move out of my flipping way, bro. Let's see if he's still there. Who's that? Oh my, dude, he's an M4 5A1, M4 5A1. He has an M4 5A1. I want that gun. I haven't recorded me wanting that gun, but I want that gun. Cannonball, boom, boom, boom. Dude, you better stop. Where's the grenade? He threw a grenade. Are these people? He just fell from fall damage, so that's not my fault. Are they literally all up here? One shot to me, that means. Dude, how did he kill me if I was... Dude, he probably killed both of them. Those freaking losers. God. I get frustrated, bro. You frustrate me. No, I don't. Yes, you do. No, I don't. Who's there? This gun makes you feel so... Dude, this is so hard. I'm not changing that gun because that gun's like the best. Dude, they have good controls though. They have really good controls. Ah, you better. Oh, guys, I'm right. Yeah, guys. Let's deploy. I was waiting for them to deploy. He has what? 22 health. Hi, how you do? Get up. Get over here. Bruh! I kill him. I kill him though. I kill him though. I kill him though. That's good. Behind their backs. Oh, watch out! Oh, watch out! Oh, watch out! Oh, watch out on you! God dang, there's so much people in that room. Oh, they're at the Deezers. Who's at the Deezer one? You're near it. You're really near it. Are you serious, bro? Why are they all aiming for me? Gosh. Guys, unfortunately, this is where I have to end the video. I'm so sorry, but I have to end the video. Sorry. See you next video. Bye.